Hey guys, this is our last and final video. I'm going to show you how to create a cloud server on Render. It's a free tool. They make it very easy and it's beginner friendly to be able to build and deploy your apps. I'm then going to show you how to connect GitHub and Slack to Render, and in the end your bot will be ready to use. Let's jump in. Alright guys, you can see I've already created my account. Just go ahead and do the same. Just go to render.com. You can sign up for a free account. Once you've done that, this is their homepage. We're just going to go ahead and click on New Web Service. We will build and deploy from a Git repository. We're going to connect to our GitHub account. Looks like we need to authorize Render here. Let's go ahead and do that. Once we're in here, we're just going to give it access to all of our repositories. We're going to install it, connect to a repository. We want this one, the one that we've already made. And then it looks like we've got to go in and set some settings. We're going to update a couple of these, the first one being this start command. So I'm just going to copy and paste. Again, you can go ahead and pause this and then type in what I've got in the code here. Once we've done that, we can just come down here, we'll select free, and then we will go to we'll actually just go ahead and put our environment variables in here. So what we're going to do is we'll go back to VS Code, and then we've got our environment variables here. So the first one, we can just copy OpenAI API key, which we'll drop in there, and then we'll grab the second part of that, paste it in here. Then we're going to add another one. This will be our Slackbot token. Go ahead and drop that in. We'll paste that one in here. We'll add our next one, which is going to be the Slack signing secret. Oops, looks like that didn't quite work for us. So we'll copy that again, and then we'll come here, highlight that one, go ahead and paste that one in. From here, we're going to add Slackbot user ID. So last variable we've got here. Let's go ahead and put that in. Boom. And then we should be able to create our web service. So let's give that a second to run. Alright guys, it looks like it is finally loaded and we've got our server, which is now live. What we're going to do now is go over to Slack API. We're just going to go to our apps. We will click on our app that we built. We're just now going to be able to give him beyond the permission, but now we'll give him actual access to the event, the message event. So we can go ahead and go here, and then we're going to go to, actually let's go ahead and load this request URL first. So what we need to do is copy this to our clipboard. We can go back there, paste that in, and then we just want to type in Slack/events. Then we'll go off and it should verify for us. Boom, that's already done. And then we're going to go to subscribe to bot events. We're going to type in message.channels. So we'll go to this one here. Go ahead and load that. And then what we're going to want to do is reinstall the app. So we'll scroll back up, reinstall to Workplace just to get them all updated. Go ahead and refresh that there. And then what we can do is go back to our Slack app in general. We'll go ahead and add auto to this, so we can just go ahead and call him in this way. Add to channel, and then we can just say hi. And he should give us a response. There he is. How can I assist you today? If you have any questions about AI automation, I'd be happy to help.